Hello folks, this is a 2012 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.6 V6. We are going to reset the oil change light. Let's start it up just to show you. It'll come up on the left side there, oil change required. Alright, to change that system is pretty easy. What you could do is we're going to shut it off. Turn the key on, 2 notches. I'm going to step on the gas pedal 3 times fully in a 10-second span. Then we're going to shut it off. And then we're going to start it again. And the light should be off. Ready? Here's the test. There you go. All right. If it comes back on or it flashes, that means you didn't do it in the 10-second span or 3 times, or you didn't step on it fully. All right, but that's it. Good to go. Ciao.